Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Numark Party Mix controller. First, carefully unbox your new Party Mix and identify all components, especially the USB cable. Next, connect the USB cable from the controller directly into an available USB port on your computer. This provides both power and data. Finally, confirm your computer meets the minimum specifications for the DJ software you plan to use, ensuring a smooth experience. Now, let's get your software ready. Download and install the recommended DJ software, often Serato DJ Lite, from the official website. Once installed, launch the application. Your party mix should be automatically detected and configured by the software, indicated by a visual confirmation. Then, navigate to the audio settings within the software to ensure your party mix is selected as the primary audio device for playback and monitoring. Getting sound out is crucial for your performance. Connect your main speakers to the red and white RCA outputs located on the back of your party mix controller. For monitoring your mix, plug your headphones into the 1/8-inch headphone jack on the front. Remember to adjust the master volume knob for your speakers and the headphone Q level to achieve a comfortable and balanced sound for both your audience and yourself. You are almost ready to start mixing. Load your first track into one of the virtual decks within your DJ software. Take a moment to test all the buttons, knobs, and the crossfader on your party mix to ensure everything is responding correctly. Begin practicing basic mixing techniques like beat matching and cueing to familiarize yourself with the controller's layout and the software's interface. Enjoy creating your first mixes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.